Hey folks, back again with another video. At some point, while tracing objects, you may have faced issues with the view. We are going to fix that in this video. This is the issue for those who import canvas and start working on it. So let's import the canvas from insert dropdown. I want to pick it from my local computer. Then double clicking on it will ask you to choose the plane. Because it's a top view of car, I'm gonna select XY plane as face. I don't want to change anything, but I'd like to decrease the opacity all the way around 20. That's fine. Now that we have top view of our model that we want to create, let's import the side view in the same way. Double click on it, and now I'd like to select XZ plane for face. If you notice here, it is in wrong direction, but don't worry, we'll use horizontal flip to make that perfect. The scaling is fine here. Let's view it from the front and use the manipulators to position it. Yeah, that works for me. Moving on. Let's go ahead with the sketch and choose the XY plane. Adjust the view or press F6 for auto fit. Now pay attention guys, I'd like to trace this profile, that is a portion of roof. Begin by activating the fit spline. Then I'm gonna select start and end point of the spline. You can have more than 2 points, but it is a good practice to use minimum points to define a spline. In that way, you can have better control. Match the profile by adjusting the fit point manipulators. If you are unable to look at the manipulators, decrease the opacity so that you feel comfortable to adjust them. That looks good for me. I'm gonna take a look at the spline for a moment. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now that we matched the spline with the top view, it's time to move it on Z-axis to match the side view. Notice that we do have matched this profile, not the top one. Let me explain in detail. Have a look at the back view of the car. The center portion is a bit high than the sides, right? We're matching this side height, thus it always a bit lower than the top. You got me. Alright, let's do that. Edit the sketch and switch to side view. Select one of the fit point and press M on the keyboard. Move these using manipulators so that they roughly match our source. Now that we match the endpoints, let's match the entire profile. Select one end of fit point manipulator and try moving it. You may accidentally select the line, but don't do that. Let me start over. Hold the left mouse button for a while and hover over to select the sketch point. Press M on the keyboard. Move the point using the square manipulator, which is free to move in XZ plane. Move in and out by observing the spline behavior. Let's move the fit point a bit. Perfect. I'd like to manipulate the other fit point so that I may get accurate result. That looks pretty good for me. When you're done, select OK to take that edit. Or you can choose cancel to start over. I'm gonna finish my sketch. Whoa, that's not what I want. I have matched the profile underneath it. Perfectly, I think so. Or nearly, But now it moved a bit. Let's go back to sketch and see what happened. It's perfect in here. Nothing seems wrong about the profile. Let's finish the sketch. Oh my god, same again. If we pan it, we can see that it's peaking. Don't worry, we got a tool to correct that. Just right click on the home in the view cube and select the orthographic. Now it looks good. What happened in here was you were in perspective view. In the sense, it shows you the way that you look at the objects in real time. Keep in mind that it only happens for objects that are positioned in 3-dimensional space. If you draw the same on a plane, you won't get these kind of problems. I hope that helps you. If so, consider liking this video. For more instant notifications, subscribe to our channel. Let's get connected. Thank you so much. See you guys.